notion that people sell out there, that if you are financially independent, that you will not be abused in the home. And I stand here to tell you today, or I sit here rather, to tell you today that that is not true. An abusive partner is an abusive partner. It does not matter if the person abused, if the victim is the breadwinner of that family. So this is where being healthy and having a healthy partner comes in. Most people are broken, and everybody's eyes are just chan. People are not looking closely, observing to know the patterns of their partner's lifestyle. Let me just wear the gown. Let me just wear the ring. Let every other person just see that I'm wearing a ring. You're flaunting it. Yes. But there is life after that day of celebration, which people do not prepare for. And sometimes the signs are there, the way the person talks, the way the person behaves, you just throw them away. You can handle it. You are prepared. But you finally discover when you enter into that relationship or into that marriage that you were never prepared and that you never even understood any of those signs. So today let us talk about domestic violence. And what is domestic violence without talking about the VAP Act, which is the Violence Against Persons Prohibition Act. It's an act that has been put in place to take care of all forms of domestic abuse, battery, assault. Our criminal code has also gone ahead to define what constitutes battery and what constitutes assault. When you begin to threaten somebody that you're going to inflict injury, you're going to inflict harm. Force. Using force that is unlawful on another person. And sometimes this can result to grievous body harm. Sometimes to death. And so where you apply such unlawful force and it results to death, murder, you'll be charged in accordance with the provisions of the law. So where there is also punishment prescribed for grievous bodily harm or for assault or for causing fear or apprehension that something is going to happen to you, you will also face it. That is the position of our law. So when we're talking about domestic violence, it comes in different ways. Some people just think it's when somebody applies unlawful force on you, when somebody threatens you. Domestic violence goes beyond that. It goes beyond that. It is more than mere beating, more than mere bodily harm. It goes deep. This is Xavier Law Essence, where we give you premium legal tips to help you make informed decisions, live informed life, and discover the best version of yourself. We'll see you again.